You don't believe in ghosts, do you?
Sure I do. My scanners have picked up verifiable paranormal activity. But that's not the problem. This swamp is oozing with disgusting mold and bacteria.
Suck it up, Bentley. We got work to do.
All right, then. Don't forget to use the new move you learned from Mugshot section of the Phoebius Raccoonus.
You mean the raccoon rail walk?
The roots and vines around here are perfect for that. All you gotta do is
jump and hit the circle button.
Especially where you see the bark has been worn away, and where it's super slick from inky slime and moss, you'll rail slide like a skater grinding pipe.
I'm liking it.
Fire army rockets on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Oops, wrong button.
Cooper's notes on how to harness the electromagnetic field created by a rolling raccoon. Now your raccoon roll move will really pack a punch. Plus, it should give you a nice tingling sensation. My paranormal scanner is maxing out on that structure.
A reading like that can only be coming off Ms. Ruby herself.
I think you're right, Sly. If you want to crack at Ms. Ruby, you're going to have to find a way inside that skull temple. What's with this industrial strength voodoo gate? Ms. Ruby must really be trying to keep something out.
Or maybe she's trying to keep something in.
What are you doing here? What?
We're here to rescue you, but you need to tell us what the twins have you working on.
Nothing. It's just this pet project I had back at the office. Certainly nothing illegal. Just a tiny, insignificant, trans-dimensional portal device.
What sort of trans-dimensional portal device?
What's going on down here?
I'm hosting my cook club. You want to join?
No. As you were.
We don't have a lot of time. We'll have to do this quickly.
Begging your pardon, but do what quickly? What did you do to him?
Trans-dimensional software upgrade. I'm gonna have to give you a crash course.
I could feel that Cooper vibe coming. Most distastefully bad juju.
Yeah, well, you give me the creeps too, lady. Cooking up an army of ghosts isn't a very neighborly pastime.
Oh, Sly. I see your mouth a-moving, but all I hear is blah, blah, blah. Well, if jaws need to flap, then let them flap. See you in the next world, Sly Cooper.
It's definitely not the first one I've seen today, and probably not the last. I guess I could still buy it, though. Good choice.
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Clank, you see that? It's an old ship.
Very old, it would seem.
To fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
You certainly got some rhythm, Raccoon. But it won't help you none if you're fixing to go after the Panda King.
Here we go again. I've already bought a bunch of those today. If you really don't want it, this is all I can offer. Good choice. Now I've got something that sparkles, and you've got something to spend.